Hey guys, Tim McAmis out in the shop today, and as you can see, I'm still stuck back in the shipping department, so trying to make the best of the situation and get all these packages out of here. But our friends at 187 Customs made another order today. If you watch some of our stuff, about 2 weeks ago they made a little order, and we were busier than hell, and they decided to order 4 little tabs that were worth a couple bucks a piece. And so I had to pull that shit, put it in a box, and send it to them. It was like $4 worth of crap. And so I left them a little love note on a sticker in there. Here we are 2 weeks later. What do? This time they upped their order, but they bought 6 of these little tabs. So I seen the order come through today, and I thought, I'm just gonna help them out a little bit and give them a little bit of a shipping incentive. So I got this little small tub box here and filled it up with a bunch of packing peanuts. I'm sending them these tabs, all right? Now, I'm not gonna put them in a bag. I'm just gonna flick them in here and there, give it a little shake. Get them right down in the middle. Now settle down a little bit, so I don't want them to get damaged in shipping. So I got some of these paper shreds here. We use these for smaller boxes. I'm gonna put these on top here so they don't get damaged in shipping, because we don't want any shipping damage. We have to do a freight claim on this shit. So here's all these paper shreds. That looks like enough. That's about all I got. Yeah, that's all I got. All right, 187. Ooh, shit, we got your stuff coming to you. It's packed in this nice triple wall cardboard box. We got some packing peanuts and some paper shreds in there. Should be no damage in shipping. I think you should just kind of take your time when you're pulling these out of there so you don't cut yourself, but just do want to confirm that there are 6 tabs in there. We even put you a little note on the side there to show how much we appreciate you guys. Let us know what you think when you open this up. Phantom ordered it. Shawn needs these tabs for some bullshit he's working on, so let them guys see what you think, and we'll see how they react when they get this box. So we'll check y'all later.